Hello and welcome to Solution News Inside Campus. I am your host Alia Anjum from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. In this special edition of Inside Campus News, I bring you the latest update on Bishop Eric Benjamin Memorial Lecture at Salesian College, Autonomous Sonada. News in detail by Samriddhi Lama from the Department of English.
On the 2nd of September 2024, Salesian College Sonada organized a special lecture on Bishop Eric Benjamin Tamang, the first bishop of Darjeeling Diocese. The event began with the lighting of the lamp, followed by an introduction to late Bishop Eric Benjamin by the Vice Principal, Dr. Augustine Joseph. The head of the English department, Miss Ashwini Tamang, introduced the chief guest, Dr. Saikit Sarkar, Assistant Professor of Kuch Bihar Panchanan, Burma University. Dr. Sarkar delivered a lecture on reading Ghosh, The Living Mountain, Decoding the Anthropocene. The session also included an interactive session followed by a Q&A segment, allowing participants to engage actively with the speaker. The event concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Brother Johnny Timpun. Token of appreciation was then presented to the chief guest by Dr. Terence Mukhya, Dean of Arts and Humanities.
That's all for today. See you in another episode of Inside Campus with camera person Anurag Christodou. I'm your host Alia Anjum for Inside Campus. Thank you.